Welcome to the Global Yoga Gita classes. भीष्म द्रोणश द्रोण प्रमुखतः सर्वेषां च महिक्षिताम् उवाच पार्थ पश्येत्तान् समवेतान् कुरुनीति कुरुनीति भीष्म भीष्म पितामह द्रोण द्रोण is the teacher of Pandavas and Duryodhana Kaurava. Pramukta प्रमुखता प्राइमरली सर्वेशाम सबों के होल ऑफ द च भी मही अक्षिताम संसार भर के राजा द होल वर्ल्ड्स किंग्स उवाच सेड पार्थ पार्थ is the name of Arjuna because he is the son of Prithu, Prithvi Putra, son of the Artha. Pashya, देखो, look at, एतान, इन सबों को, सम, वेतान, एकत्रित, कलेक्टेड, कुरून, कुरु वंश के सदस्यों को, इति, इस प्रकार. प्रभुपाद सेड भीष्म द्रोण तथा विश्व भर के अन्य समस्त राजाओं के सामने भगवान ने कहा कि हे पार्थ, यहाँ पर एकत्र सारे कुरुओं को देखो. भीष्म द्रोण तथा विश्व भर के अन्य समस्त राजाओं के सामने भगवान ने कहा कि हे पार्थ, यहाँ पर एकत्र सारे कुरुओं को देखो. Bhishma, Drona, and all of the kings who came in the field to fight against the Pandava. Sri Krishna said to Partha, who is the Arjun, here you can see your against fighter who were the Kurus, Kauravas. Kauravas, what is the meaning of Kauravas? Kauravas means the 100 sons of Dhritarashtra. This is the meaning. And in next ashlokas, Tatra Pashyat Sthita तान पार्थः पितृन्नथ पितामहान आचार्यन मातुलान भ्रांतॄन् पुत्रान पौत्रान सिंहस अस्तथा स्वसुरान सुहृद अस्चैव सेनयोरुभयोरपि. तत्र वहाँ, देयर, अपश्यत देखा, सी लुक एट, स्थितान स्टैंडिंग, पार्थ अर्जुन, पितृन पितरों, who is the senior of the Arjun, Bhishma, Drona, etc. अथ भी पितामहान पितामहों को, आचार्यान is the teachers, मातुलान मामाओं को, brother of his mother, भ्रातृन भाइयों को, ब्रदर्स, पुत्रान सन्स, पौत्रान पौत्रों को, सखीन मित्रों को, ससुरान is the father in law, सुहृद शुभ चिंतकों को, who they are the supporter of Duryodhana, च भी also एव निश्चय ही, सेनियों सेनाओं के, उभयों दोनों पक्षों की, अपि सहित. अर्जुन ने वहां पर दोनों पक्षों की सेनाओं के मध्य में अपने चाचा ताऊओं पितामहों गुरुओं मामाओं भाइयों पुत्रों, पौत्रों, मित्रों, ससुरों और शुभचिंतकों को भी देखा। अर्जुन saw all of the supporters of the Duryodhana, and in the middle he is standing and saw all of the both warriors. He saw his own parental fathers, grandfathers, and uncles, and teachers, and brothers of mothers, and sons, and the nephew, and potron. Potron means the grandsons, and friends, supporters, sasuro, fathers-in-laws, and all of the supporters who came to fight against the Pandavas, and they all supported to Mr. Duryodhana. This is the whole situation of the Kurukshetra field. In this Asloka, Mr. Lit and Yogacharya Sri Shamacharan Lahiri sir said, this is a type of a spiritual field. When we go to in the spiritual field, firstly we have listen some word. Those words are called the sound of and vibration of the Brahmas, Brahmanad, and after that some confusion came here, and after the confusion and in this field, spiritual field, adhyatmic field, sadhan field, Shamacharan Lahiri sir said, everyone who is proceed in this field ever feel a confusion. What is the confusion? That our line of the spiritual field is right or wrong. We are passing through the right way or wrong way. So Shamacharan Lahiri sir said, this is the confusion of all spiritual man, and in this field many times they face these confusions. So this is a hurdle, a type of hurdle, and it call in yoga field and spiritual field, this is the hurdle and stopping to your way, which is go to the God Sri Krishna or Ma Kali, Ma Adya Shakti, Ma Durga Devi, and who they are, the Uttamoja, the Adya Shakti, Durga, Das Mahavidya. These are the confusion, and everyone want to the achievement to this field, and they want to his their goal, and which is the achieve to their God, and God filled, and after the mortal, after the death, they go to their God's field. And this is the different layer of the environment. Some layer is for Sevas, some layer is for Krishnas, some layer is for Adya Shakti, some layer for Surya. And what is Surya? The main role of in this spiritual field, that is the many kind of sun in whole universe. There is not only one sun, but there is various type of sun, and every type of the planet has one sun or two sun. In this is the uh, research work for some scientists. So thank you very much. आपका स्वागत है ग्लोबल योग गीता में, और आप इसे देख सकते हैं विक्स पर www.globalyoggeeta.uno पर। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। नमस्कार।